Hello students, good morning. This is our maths class. In last class we have started lesson 3 subtraction and we have solved 3 digits and 4 digit numbers. Now next is checking subtraction with addition. To check the answer, add the difference to the subtrahend to get the minend. Now see here one example is given. The main number, it is the minend, and the takeaway number from which we have to subtract. The number we are going to subtract is the subtrahend, and the result from minend to subtrahend is the difference. So if we want to check the answer whether it is correct or not, what we will do? We will add subtrahend and difference so that we will get the minend. See here, we will do one example. This is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Whenever we are doing addition or subtraction, we have to make this proper table so that it will be easier for us to make the calculation. So here we will take 4, 2, then 6 and 5. 4265 minus 3142. So now we have to subtract these numbers. So let us start. So this number first is the minend. The number we are going to subtract is the subtrahend, and the result will be the difference. Now let us see what is the difference. 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the difference. Now let us check the answer whether it is right or wrong by doing the addition. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now what we will do here? What we have to add? We have to add difference and subtrahend. So we will first write subtrahend number. What is subtrahend number? 3142. We have to add with difference. So let us do the calculations. In ones place, 2 plus 3, 5, tens, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 1, 2, and 3 plus 1, 4. See, this is the minend. Is it the correct answer? Yes, it is the correct answer. This is the method to check the answers. We have to first subtract the numbers, then we have to check the answer by adding the subtrahend and difference. Subtrahend and difference. So you understood? Now properties of subtraction. What are the properties? Earlier we have seen the properties of addition. Today we will see properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from any number, we always get the number itself. For example, 343 minus 0 is equal to 343. 1247 minus 0 is equal to 1247. Any number, if we are subtracting any number First property is subtracting 0. Subtracting 0. If we are subtracting 0 from 42, we will get answer as it is. No difference. This is 2-digit number. If we are subtracting 4-digit number, answer will be the same. Whichever number we are taking. If we are subtracting from 0, the result will be the number itself. It is the first property of subtraction. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the number just before the given number. Now what is the next property? When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the number just before the given number. Second property is subtracting 1. So if we are subtracting 42 minus 1 is equal to what answer we will get? 41. So 41 is the before number of 42. See, before number of 42 is the 41. So whichever number we are taking, if we are taking 186 minus 1, what will be the answer? 185. This is the before number of 186. So whenever we are subtracting any number with 1, we will get the before number of number itself. Now next property is when we subtract a number from itself, we always get 0. For example, 212 minus 212 is equal to 0. 1347 minus 1347 minus 1347 is equal to 0. What is the third property? Subtracting number itself. Subtracting number itself. What we get? 0. See, this we will take 42. 42 minus 42. We are subtracting number itself with that number only. So 42 minus 42? 0. 186 minus 186 is equal to 0. 382 minus 382 is equal to 0. So you understood properties of subtraction. First property is subtracting 0. We will get the answer itself, the number itself. No changes will be there when we are subtracting 0 from the number. And when we are subtracting 1 from the number, we get the before number. And when we are subtracting number itself with the number, we get the answer 0. So you all understood? These are the some examples you have to write in your notebook. I will be sending you pics of these questions. First of all, you have to subtract the following and then check your answer. How will you check the answer? By doing this method. And just fill in the boxes. First you have to solve these questions, then you have to write here.